Most men don't fail loudly. They don't collapse in public. They don't announce the defeat. They fail quietly, behind routines, responsibilities, and forced smiles. Stoicism teaches that the most dangerous losses are the ones no one sees. Silent failure doesn't look like weakness. It looks like endurance without direction. Effort without progress. Discipline without purpose. This video is not about blaming the world. It is about understanding why capable men slowly lose momentum, and how Stoic intelligence exposes the truth most avoid. Stay till the end. The final insight explains why awareness alone separates men who rise from men who fade. 1. Most men fail because they never define their own standard of success. They inherit expectations from society, family, and peers. They chase approval without questioning whether the goal belongs to them. Stoicism teaches that a man without a personal philosophy is easily controlled by external noise. When effort is not tied to meaning, exhaustion follows. Men keep moving but feel empty. They work harder yet feel behind. This silent confusion becomes the foundation of failure. A Stoic man does not measure himself by applause. He measures himself by alignment between values and action. Without this alignment, progress feels hollow, and men slowly disengage from their own lives. 2. Most men fail because they confuse busyness with purpose. They stay occupied to avoid reflection. Full schedules hide internal disorder. Stoicism warns against motion without direction, because constant activity can be a form of escape. When a man never sits with his thoughts, he never corrects his path. He keeps moving in the wrong direction while convincing himself that movement alone equals progress. Silence is avoided because silence reveals truth. Stoic intelligence demands stillness. The ability to stop, observe, and adjust is what separates discipline from distraction. 3. Most men fail because they suppress emotions instead of mastering them. Stoicism is not emotional numbness. It is emotional clarity. Many men bury frustration, anger, and regret until it leaks into the decisions. Unprocessed emotion becomes self-sabotage. Relationships suffer. Focus weakens. Confidence erodes quietly. A Stoic man does not deny emotion. He studies it. He identifies what is within his control and releases what is not. Men who ignore their inner state lose control without realizing it. 4. Most men fail because they avoid responsibility for their inner world. They blame circumstances, timing, or other people. Stoicism teaches radical ownership, not of outcomes, but of responses. When a man refuses responsibility, growth stops. He waits instead of builds, complains instead of adapts. Silent failure is comfortable because it removes accountability. But comfort is the enemy of progress. Stoic intelligence demands responsibility without resentment. 5. Most men fail because they chase validation instead of character. They seek recognition, relationships, or status to feel worthy. Stoicism teaches that character is the only possession that cannot be taken. When validation disappears, so does motivation. Men become reactive, insecure, and unstable. A Stoic man builds from within. Approval becomes optional. Discipline becomes identity. This inner independence is rare and powerful. 6. Most men fail because they fear discomfort more than regret. They delay difficult actions. They postpone necessary changes. Stoicism teaches voluntary discomfort to prepare for unavoidable hardship. Men who avoid discomfort live smaller lives. They choose short-term relief and long-term dissatisfaction. Stoic intelligence reframes pain as training. Growth begins where comfort ends. 7. Most men fail because they never commit fully to mastery. They want results without patience, strength without consistency, wisdom without effort. Stoicism teaches long-term thinking, the ability to act today without immediate reward. Silent failure is often impatience disguised as realism. A Stoic man commits to process, not outcome. 8. Most men fail because they never truly know themselves. They don't question beliefs. They don't audit habits. They don't examine fear. Stoicism begins with self-knowledge. Without it, effort is scattered and progress fragile. The man who understands himself becomes difficult to break. The man who avoids himself slowly disappears. Conclusion: failure is rarely sudden. It is gradual neglect of inner discipline. Stoicism exists to prevent that decay. If this video challenged your thinking, subscribe to this channel for more Stoic intelligence, self-mastery, and quiet strength. This channel is for men who refuse to fail in silence.